Ever wondered how to turn that dream of owning an online store into a reality? Welcome to the entrepreneurial journey of a lifetime. In the next 7 minutes, you'll learn the key steps to setting up your very own online store. Step 1. Discover your niche. It's crucial to identify a product or service that resonates with you and meets the demands of a specific group of consumers. Unleashing your passion in a unique niche is the first step towards building a thriving online business. Step 2. Plan your business. From defining your brand and target audience to developing a marketing strategy, a well-thought-out business plan sets the foundation for success. Remember, failing to plan is planning to fail. Step 3. Choose an e-commerce platform. Whether it's Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce, the right platform simplifies the process of building and managing your online store. Consider factors such as features, pricing, and scalability when making your choice. Step 4. Build your online store. This involves choosing a domain name, designing your website, setting up payment gateways, and listing your products or services. Ensure your website is user-friendly and visually appealing to attract and retain customers. Step 5. Create a customer service strategy. Exceptional customer service is a powerful tool for building trust and loyalty. Implement a system for handling inquiries, complaints, and returns efficiently. Step 6. Market your online store. Use digital marketing strategies such as SEO, social media marketing, and email marketing to increase your visibility and attract potential customers. Remember, the key to successful marketing is understanding and engaging your target audience. And finally, Step 7. Analyze and improve. Use analytics tools to monitor your performance and identify areas for improvement. Continuous learning and improvement are the keys to long-term success. So to recap, building a successful online store involves discovering your niche, planning your business, choosing an e-commerce platform, building your website, creating a customer service strategy, marketing your store, and continuously analyzing and improving. Remember, an online store is more than just a platform for selling products or services. It's a reflection of your brand and a tool for connecting with customers. So dive in, unleash your entrepreneurial spirit, and start building your dream online store today. After all, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And your entrepreneurial journey starts right here, right now.